In this video, in part 3 of designing a calculator mobile app, we are going to add some animation to our design and prototype it. So stay with me to design it together. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel, we talk about user experience of digital products such as mobile apps and websites. So if you are a fan of this kind of videos, hit the subscribe button and be around. Hi guys, welcome to chapter 3 of Daily UI challenge number 4. In previous chapters, we start by designing a layout of calculator mobile app, and in the second video, we turn our low fidelity wireframe into high fidelity. In this very video, in video 3, we are gonna try to design some interaction and prototype. First of all, I need an interactive component. So I drag one of these circles and press Ctrl-Alt-K, make it a component, Ctrl-R to rename it, now I press this button, add variant, I change its property to hover and property name to state. I want to design a hover state. When I hover to this default state, I want to change it to hover state. So I change this one. Maybe a little darker or blue. I change to prototype tab and select default state, press on this plus button, drag it to hover state. In this popover, I change onClick to while hovering and instant to smart animate. That's it. We are ready to go. Because I want to use this component into my design, I should replace it with all of these circles. So I go to Design tab, I press Ctrl+C to copy this variant and select all of these circles. When I select all of these circles, I press Ctrl+Shift+R to replace the component with these empty and blank circles. If you select the mockup and press on this present button, we can check our prototype and our interaction. Okay guys, here is our prototype. But I don't like the way it's color on hover mode. Maybe I go and change it. Okay, now it's beautiful. I like it. It turned to blue when I hover it. Very nice. Now I just want to design another interaction. I want this frame and its shadow to come up after a delay. So let's make a prototype. And now we want some new frames. I rename it to mockup 1, and by Alt Shift I copy it. Select shadow and main UI together. Press Shift and down button to go right down. Okay. Let's go to prototype mode. I select mockup 1 and select this plus button and drag it to mockup 2. I want to change to mockup 2 after a delay. And I select mockup 2, press this plus button and drag it to mockup 3. It's animated, but I don't want to come in and come out. I just want it to happen once. So I delete this prototype for mockup number 3. Select mockup number 3, go to prototype mode, select this plus button. Okay, very nice. Let's see again. I press R to see it again. Very nice. Now I can go and hover to the buttons and see all of these hover action. Okay guys, our job is done. We did it finally after 3 videos. It was a pleasure to have you with me. Have fun and goodbye.